Well, Reema, unfortunately, another incident of violence that is being reported there. This is a breaking update coming in. We were talking about one BJP MP. No, there is another BJP MP who has been attacked and assaulted. This is Babul Supriyo, who is contesting from the seat of Tollygunge. And you can see the scuffle that is taking place there as we are reporting live. These are the exclusive pictures that Republic currently is playing out. That is Babul Supriyo, who was speaking to us a short while back this morning as he was out there to supervise the bowling procedure that has been taken place. He too has not been spared. The BJP leader, the two-time MP, has not been spared. He's been contesting from another high-profile seat of Tollygunge, and this time around that we can clearly see that scuffle and the assault that is taking place. We'll get to know the reason as to what exactly had happened and who are all these leaders there, who are these women karyakartas there, are they from the TMC or some other party, and why are they indulging in this scuffle with the BJP MP this time around who is contesting from the Tollygunge seat. So not one BJP MP, where this attack that has been reported also from Hooghly. We were listening to Locket Chatterjee a short while back while she was on the phone with the Election Commission, and she has already registered her protest and her complaint that her car was geared out. There was a mob that suddenly came across and they attacked her car. There was not just her car, the media convoy too has been attacked. Let me straight away go across to our guest now. Joydeep Mukherjee is with us. Pathikrit Pain is also joining us with us. Joydeep, I want you to explain these visuals with us. Why has West Bengal now become synonymous with violence? As we are looking at the phases increasing, the incidents of violence are also increasing. We are not talking about BJP karyakartas here. We are talking about member of parliament, the sitting member of parliament, Locket Chatterjee, who's been attacked. You have Babul Supriyo, who's been attacked. What's exactly happening there?
No, because I have seen from your media, that is from my constituency is in Chinchura. Mrs. Locket Chatterjee is also contesting from my constituency. I know the constituency, but the incident which happened is very unfortunate because it should not be, because the media person...
That's it, unfortunate. Pathikrit, feel free to come in. Unfortunate. That's it, Joydeep.
Very unfortunate because the media persons who was attacked, it is not proper.
No, Joydeep, I believe if you have the Republic screen right in front of you, we're going to put up the pictures there of multiple incidents of violence that have now taken place there on your screens right now, whether be it in Cooch Behar. Pathikrit, this morning the news came in of a BJP worker being shot at. He's now dead. This is the kind of news that's been coming in since the morning, ever since the voting procedure began. BJP worker dead, BJP MP attacked, another BJP MP assaulted.
No, because when the election commission is also conducting the elections, because it is a preliminary duty of the election commission to look into this matter, because it is a very...
Does everything now fall on the election commission shoulders there? Joydeep, does everything... Then you will also go and complain against the election commission. Then you will raise questions against the election commission too. Once you need the security there for free and fair polls, but you will also raise questions on the troops that are actually guarding, and it's their responsibility to conduct free and fair elections. Pathikrit, can you come up with a reasonable argument as to what Joydeep has now been suggesting?
No. See, first of all, when the elections were designed in a manner that it would happen in 8 phases, there were a lot of rumblings from the ruling party of Bengal. Today we realized why it was important to have it in 8 phases, because of this worst kind of disgusting violence that has become a culture in this state. And I'm saying it as a Bengali. Now, secondly, why this violence is happening? The violence is happening because from the top leadership of TMC, the instigations are coming. That you gharao the CRPF, that you budge into the booths. All these instigations are happening from the ruling party's top leadership. Have you ever heard somebody from the top leadership saying
that maintain discipline,
don't do all these things? Now, number two, in fact is that...
Of course, that is unfortunate.
Joydeep, let me finish. I did not interfere when you were speaking. Let me finish. Number two, we are seeing this culture. We are seeing this trend that as and when the entire... everybody knows what happened during the Panchayat poll of 2018. 34% of the booths and candidates could not even file their nomination. They were not allowed. People were beaten up. This time, they are not being able to do it. And that's why the desperation. And secondly, as and when each phase is passing by, and some people are realizing that power is going out of their hand, There is desperation.
No, Joydeep,
This
because the
desperation
deal is
making
that
them
it is
do
not
all
just the
these things.
BJP workers who are being stopped and who are being attacked. We're getting the news also that the ISF workers are also being attacked.
Yes.
It is being said that the TMC
ISF
goons are not
workers have
even
been
allowing the residents there to cast their vote.
Absolutely.
No.
I will tell you, in Bhangar, there are more than 20,000 people have garrowed the police station because no action is being taken. And a lot is said about BJP being communal. What happens when
But let me
TMC
get an
people are
explanation
beating
from
up Muslims?
Joydeep here, Patikrit, because he cannot get away with just calling the incident as unfortunate. Unfortunate are these kind of incidents that are taking place, and why is that? What is the explanation that you would give, Joydeep, other than saying that it is unfortunate?
I am just explaining it that the entire elections is conducted by the Elections Commission. The CRPA paramilitary
That means
force is
TMC
under
has
the
no
Election
responsibility.
Police,
That means the ruling
is
party has no
under the-
responsibility.
Under the Elections
That you cannot
Commission.
maintain discipline.
So the Elections Commission should look into this matter. So why are you blaming to each other? The Election Commission, when the one candidate is assaulted by some goons, the Election Commission should interfere in this matter. Why the CRPF is silent?
Mr.
Why the police is
Joydeep,
silent?
Mr.
Because
Joydeep,
it is under
can you
the
please
Election
explain
Commission
when it comes to
at
Mamata
present?
Banerjee
It is
herself, who is
under
not
the
taking the
at
Election
present.
Commission's notice very seriously? On 2 occasions that has been sent to her when it comes to provocative statement that she has made against the CRPF. Now you're demanding that the Election Commission should step in and take responsibility. I mean, what kind of irony is this?
So who will
Right,
take the
Patikrit?
responsibility? Who will take the responsibility in the Constitution? Who will take the
You can't mock and demand justice and
Amita,
responsibility at the same time, Joydeep.
Election Commission is the sole powerful body of the entire election process.
No,
so they
Joydeep,
will look into this matter.
the government of West Bengal does it not have any responsibility? The government of West Bengal does it not have any responsibility? You are still the ruling party.
No.
No, you are still the ruling party. Don't you have any responsibility?
In the lower
Don't
level,
you have any responsibility?
Joydeep, you need to recall what Mamata Banerjee has said. मुझे बहुत notices आते हैं. मुझे बहुत notices आते हैं. She had regularly and she had been continuously been saying that. What happens that when she had to answer to the Election Commission's
Amita,
notice,
I have a
and now you're
question for
demanding
Joydeep.
accountability?
Amita, I have a question for
Go on.
Joydeep.
No, why are you mixing the matter with...
Jaideep, do you want to say it would have been better to have president rule and then conduct the election? Jaideep, are you trying to say it would have been better to do a
All right,
president rule
Patikrit
and then
and
conduct the
Joydeep,
election?
stay on with us. I have a BJP voice also joining us here on the broadcast. Saurav Sikdar is with us. Saurav, what is your take? Because since morning, ever since the polling began in the 4th phase, so many incidents of violence that have been reported. BJP worker who's been shot dead. This is for the first time that in this polling process that has been taking place. It has been a completely what we were thinking about should be an uneventful polling process. Unfortunately, now even the BJP MPs are now being attacked. Saurav.
Well, this is nothing but just a reaction of provocation made by Mamata Banerjee 2 days back when she just called for attack or gherav on CRPF and Central Force. This was totally pre-planned, and Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress just provocated their worker for this violence. See, we lost one more worker today for that violence. Our MP has
Saurav,
been,
I'm just cutting you short. I'm just cutting you short because we are getting another breaking update. What we are getting to know so far, when it comes to the people who have lost their lives in today's elections, 4 of them have lost their lives, and this is all coming from Kuch Bihar. We're playing out multiple visuals there of clashes that are taking place, but the blame game unfortunately goes on. There, on your screens, we're playing out clashes that is now being reported from Sitalkuchi, where we are getting to know that there are 4 people today who have lost their lives. This just can't be called unfortunate, Joydeep. Where is the accountability? Against whom? You cannot pin the blame directly on the forces, as the Chief Minister has been doing, and then demand accountability from the Election Commission.
No. Particularly, I will give blame if I will give the blame, because I am not habituated to give blame to anybody. But if I will give the blame, I will give blame to the Election Commission. That is their failureness. That is their failure. Some workplace officers is also sitting in the Elections Commission.
Saurav, come in on that.
They are conducting the elections.
How come you blame Election Commission? How come you blame election commission when chief minister?
And how many times rather?
Provocated for violence.
How many times rather?
Blaming commission.
Why you are not coming to the point?
Minister provocated for violence.
Inter-election is conducted by the election commission.
Chief minister
Inter-election commission is conducting the election.
Well, you had issues with the election commission when there was 8 phases elections that was announced by the electoral body. Then you will raise questions when it comes to the security forces who are guarding there for the people so that they can exercise their franchise.
A president election rule and
And
then
4
do the
people
election.
are now dead.
I think
Inter-elections commission.
Yes, go on.
Inter-elections is conducting by the election commission.
no,
So why the
Jaideep,
election
you are right. Next time there should be president rule before any election in Bengal.
Why
Because
you
you
are
can't
talking
even trust
about
one
what
person.
is silly
There should be
thing?
president
Why are you
rule.
silly
There should be
thing?
president rule
Why
in this
are you
state
silly thing?
before conducting elections.
Majority government cannot be broken. Majority government cannot be broken.
Majority government cannot be broken. But majority
I think,
government
Joydeep,
cannot
what
be
we have exactly heard from you in the last 5 minutes are the
Majority
words
government cannot
election
be
commission,
broken.
unfortunate.
Majority
That's all.
government has not taken
That's been the
responsibility
repetitive
with
line that you
elections.
have been taking because you have not taken a stand there to even condemn the violence that has taken place today. 4 people who have lost their lives. This has only happened in Cooch Behar. You have member of parliament who have been attacked. Not just
If
1
law
but
and
2 of
order is
them.
a state
Several
subject,
incidents
then
of
what is the
violence that
government
continue to be
doing?
reported there. And who's going to take the responsibility? You cannot blame the election commission every now and then. I have to thank all of you as this is a big coverage that continues right here on Republic. We are reporting live from the state of West Bengal. More such incidents of violence that are now being reported will continue to play out those exclusive pictures.